Module 3. Lesson 2. Topic 2. Merge cells and wrap text. Excel is all about calculations and lists. Its strength is in helping you take raw data and transform it into usable information. However, Excel isn't limited to just number calculations and data management. Being a part of Microsoft Office ensures that the Excel environment complements Word's word processing functionality and PowerPoint's presentation capability. This is where a few seemingly awkward aspects of a numbers and data application can still produce the presentable results you want for reports, lists, and other documents. Merging cells, especially with Merge and Center, is a tool for improving the appearance of titles in your worksheets. Merging cells involves combining two or more cells into one larger cell. Select the desired cells with the text in the leftmost cell. On the Home tab of the ribbon, in the Alignment group, select Merge and Center. If you no longer want the cells to be merged, select the merged cell, and then select Merge and Center again. Sometimes, you'll need the effect of Merge and Center, but using it might interfere with other data on your worksheet. Another way to achieve the same effect, but keep the cells separate, is to use the Horizontal Alignment option Center across selection. Select the desired cells with the text in the leftmost cell, as you would before you use Merge and Center. Then open the Alignment dialog box. For horizontal alignment, select Center across selection. And then select OK. The selected cells will remain unmerged. The cell contents are still stored in the leftmost cell of the selected cells. Wrap text is ideal for cells that contain text that is too long for the width of the cell. This might be column headers, or cells that contain notes or description text. Wrap text will make text inside a cell flow onto multiple lines as needed within the width of that column. You can also start a new line inside a cell by using the Alt+Enter keyboard shortcut, which then also applies wrap text to that cell. This is also known as inserting a line break. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Using cell styles. Keep learning.